The Bajaj Group needs no introduction. 2026 marks its 100th anniversary. The conglomerate, which now boasts 40 companies in diverse sectors such as automobiles, finance, consumer appliances, and engineering, was founded by Jamnalal Bajaj in Mumbai in 1926. Jamnalal Bajaj, who established himself as a leading industrialist and a well-known freedom fighter, was born into a humble agrarian family in Sikar, Rajasthan. He was adopted at the age of 4 by Seth Bachraj Bajaj, a Marwadi businessman. As he grew older, Jamnalal Bajaj became involved in the family's trading business and later laid the foundation of the group that eventually evolved into Bajaj by establishing Bachraj Factories Private Limited in 1926.
Jamnalal ji came in adoption to Wardha, and he was very influenced by Gandhi ji. So in 1922, he asked Gandhi ji that, will you accept me as your son? So Gandhi ji said, I will give you nothing. You are the only one who is going to be the giver. And after that, he became Gandhi ji's fifth son.
In 1931, Bajaj Group entered the manufacturing sector by launching the Hindustan Sugar Mills, which later became Bajaj Hindustan Sugar. In 1960, Bajaj entered the two-wheeler manufacturing sector, partnering with Piaggio to produce Vespa scooters. In the same year, the group launched Bajaj Electricals Limited, marking its entry into the consumer electronics market.
The market of India is growing. A lot of people, because of the TV and otherwise, are knowing that the population of 1.4 billion is a big population. So as soon as people get surplus fund, they would like to have the ease of having a toaster or a mixie, and all those things are happening. So I think for the next at least 20-30 years, clearly we can see that continuously growth is going to take place.
Rahul Bajaj, grandson of Jamnalal Bajaj, took charge of the group's automobile arm in 1965 and launched flagship scooter brands including Bajaj Chetak, Bajaj Super and Priya. In the 1970s, the company expanded its presence by entering the three-wheeler auto rickshaw market. The group continued to grow with the launch of motorcycle brands such as Bajaj, Kawasaki and Pulsar in the following decades. In 2000, the group underwent a major restructuring and diversified its footprint by separating its auto and financial services businesses.
We are also very aware of the fact that as India is growing at multiple cylinders. There is a physical India, there is a digital India. And one of the unique opportunities in India is the digital public infrastructure that the government has driven now almost 20 years ago. And we have leveraged that digital capability by creating a set of digital platforms as well.
The group owns holding company Bajaj Finserv, non-banking financial company Bajaj Finance, as well as asset management and general and life insurance businesses under Bajaj Allianz. The company also runs skilling programs through its corporate social responsibility initiatives.
Bajaj Group decided to take skilling as their main focus. So we do skilling not only in financial, like in CPBFI, where we do a certificate for banking, finance, insurance in colleges and higher studies, we do certificates. But we also skill women, people with disabilities, differently abled people. We skill them to get a job.
It's the 50th year for the foundation and 49th year for the awards. So we also reaching a landmark next year for the awards. And I joined the foundation in 2009. Rahul Bhai was keen that I take over.
Today, the Bajaj Group is a $167 billion global enterprise with more than 60,000 employees in India and around the world.